Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best digital laser tape measure tools that deliver precision, smart features, and ease for every project. Whether you're a pro or DIYer, these tools make measuring effortless. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Ristophe JH-T2 Digital Laser Tape Measure. The Ristophe JH-T2 digital laser tape measure redefines precision and convenience for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Combining a traditional tape measure with advanced laser technology, this two-in-one tool offers unmatched versatility across a wide range of measuring tasks. Its high-precision laser system provides 6 distinct measurement modes: distance, continuous, area, volume, Pythagorean method with 2 points, and Pythagorean method with 3 points, delivering accuracy up to plus or minus 1/8 inch. Users can easily switch between units and access past readings through the memory function, while the device conserves power with an automatic shutdown after 180 seconds of inactivity. Designed for real-world applications, the JH-T2 is ideal for interior design, construction, or any project requiring detailed measurements. Its integrated tape and laser system allow one-person operation, simplifying the measurement of challenging areas like diagonals, corners, or tall spaces. The tool adapts seamlessly from large industrial settings to intricate home projects, ensuring precise results every time. A magnetic hook and durable nylon-coated blade make measuring metal surfaces straightforward, while the auto-lock feature secures the tape during use. Portability and durability are central to its design. A Type-C charging port supports rapid charging from power banks, providing power for over 5,000 measurements per charge. The compact ABS anti-slip construction, belt clip, and high-contrast LCD screen enhance both usability and mobility. Intuitive controls with 3 labeled buttons make navigation effortless, even for first-time users. Each package includes a 19.7-foot by 16-foot laser tape, Type-C cable, user manuals, and a protective box, ensuring everything needed for accurate, efficient, and reliable measuring is at hand. The Ristophe JH-T2 combines cutting-edge technology, practical design, and professional-grade functionality into a single, indispensable measuring tool suitable for any task, big or small. Next up at number 4, we have the almighty ALMT01 Digital Laser Tape Measure. The almighty ALMT01 digital laser tape measure redefines precision and convenience for both DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors. This innovative 3-in-1 tool combines a 197-foot laser for long-range measurement, a 16-foot self-locking tape for close-up tasks, and projection lines to align shelves, tiles, and artwork with absolute accuracy. With measurements accurate to within plus or minus 1/8 of an inch or plus or minus 1/16 of an inch, it provides professional-grade precision in a compact, portable device, making complex projects simpler and faster. Equipped with 6 laser measuring modes, distance, continuous, area, volume, and Pythagorean methods, the ALMT01 allows users to switch between 4 units and toggle front or back references instantly. Its Class 2 laser ensures safe operation, whether used indoors for home improvement or outdoors for construction projects. The device is designed for portability and durability. A practical belt clip keeps it within easy reach, while its impact-resistant build stands up to demanding environments like scaffolding, ladders, or rough job sites. The tape measure also emphasizes user convenience. AAA batteries can be swapped at any time. The self-locking tape secures measurements instantly, and a one-touch release minimizes effort. A jumbo LCD provides clear readings, and the magnetic tip makes measuring metal surfaces effortless. Additionally, up to 40 measurements can be stored for quick reference, helping to streamline workflow on busy projects. With its combination of accuracy, versatility, and durability, the almighty ALMT01 digital laser tape measure brings professional-level efficiency to any measuring task, making it a reliable companion for home renovations, engineering projects, and contractor-grade construction work. Taking the third spot is the Fanttik A10 Pro digital laser tape measure. The Fanttik A10 Pro digital laser tape measure is a versatile measuring tool designed to combine precision and convenience for both professional and DIY use. This two-in-one device integrates a 9.8-foot digital tape measure with a 165-foot laser distance meter, allowing seamless switching between close-up detail work and long-range measurements. Its dual-mode functionality adapts easily to indoor and outdoor environments, making it suitable for a wide variety of tasks. At the heart of the Fanttik A10 Pro is a bright 1.47-inch IPS color display that provides clear, readable measurements even in bright sunlight. Unlike low-brightness LCD screens, it can show multiple measurement data simultaneously, reducing errors and streamlining workflow. The device incorporates high-precision technology, delivering accuracy within plus or minus 1/8 inch for laser measurements, plus or minus 1/16 inch for tape, and plus or minus 1 degree for dual-axis electronic angles. These features eliminate the need for manual calculations and improve the reliability of results. The A10 Pro supports 6 measurement units, 3 operating modes, and 3 reference points, making it highly adaptable to different projects. It is also tripod compatible, allowing stable measurements in hard-to-reach areas such as ceilings or corners. Users can store up to 30 measurements in memory, making repeated tasks more efficient, and the device is powered via Type-C charging. Its battery is designed to handle over 5,000 measurements per charge, ensuring long-lasting performance. Safety and precision are enhanced by a Class 2 laser with a maximum output of less than 1 milliwatt, providing a balance between performance and user protection. Overall, the Fanttik A10 Pro digital laser tape measure offers a combination of advanced measuring capabilities, intuitive design, and durable construction, making it a reliable tool for accurate measurement in a variety of settings. Coming in at number 2 is the Mileseey XTAPE digital laser tape measure. The Mileseey XTAPE digital laser measure redefines precision measuring by combining a traditional 12-foot tape with a 330-foot laser distance meter in one compact, sleek device. Designed for both professional and home use, it seamlessly handles small-scale woodworking projects as well as large home renovations, eliminating the need to switch between tools. Its modular design allows the laser component to detach easily, enabling quick replacements or conversions between metric, imperial, or split measurements. XTAPE leverages advanced Super Opti tracking technology to deliver remarkable accuracy up to plus or minus 1/32 inch, ensuring reliable results even in challenging job site conditions. Its bright green aligning laser offers superior visibility across uneven surfaces, making cross-surface alignment and precise markings straightforward. The device also features a live angle display, allowing users to measure any angle effortlessly, ideal for creative home projects such as accent walls or custom installations. Efficiency is further enhanced with multiple advanced measurement functions, enabling complex calculations in obstructed or irregular spaces. Users can transfer captured data to smartphones or tablets via a dedicated app, where measurements can be annotated on sketches or on-site photos for detailed planning. Built with durability in mind, XTAPE incorporates IP54 rated protection against dust, splashes, and impact, while a 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery ensures up to 8 hours of active use and up to 30 days on standby. This combination of smart functionality, robust engineering, and user-focused design positions the XTAPE 1 as a reliable and versatile tool for any precision measuring task. And finally, our top pick, the Reekon T1 Digital Laser Tape Measure. The Reekon T1 Digital Laser Tape Measure redefines precision and efficiency for contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. Designed as a contractor-grade tool, the T1 offers self-calibrating accuracy beyond 1/32 inch, ensuring every measurement is precise. Its replaceable blades extend the life of the device, making it a reliable companion on demanding projects. A standout feature is the side-mounted e-paper display, which keeps track of previously saved measurements up to 500 entries, allowing users to view, organize, and delete data effortlessly. The integrated green laser guide projects a fine, straight line from the front reference surface, aiding in alignment and marking with Class 2 safety standards. The T1 is highly versatile, with functions accessible through the Quick Action menu. Users can toggle between internal and relative measurements, find center points, and switch units among inches, feet, millimeters, and centimeters. Seamless integration with the Rock Job Site app allows wireless sharing of cut lists, annotations, markups, and calculations, keeping teams coordinated and projects on track. Built for durability, the T1 withstands tough environments. It is drop-tested, water-resistant, and includes an anchor point for a wrist strap, providing extra safety when working at heights. A rugged belt clip holster protects the device from dust, drops, and rough handling while keeping it easily accessible on the job. Combining digital innovation with practical design, the Reekon T1 Digital Laser Tape Measure delivers unmatched precision, organization, and resilience for modern job sites. Measure smarter, not harder. Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite tool today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more helpful product reviews.